you don't have to be wait, let me set this up. You know. So right now I'm at work and I'm reviewing my trades, and basically most of them, well, this week I didn't even trade at all. But I'm at work right now, I'm back testing, and well, basically I'm just trying to say that you don't have to be perfect while you're trading. Basically, you don't have to be perfect. The trade doesn't have to be perfect, and I think that's something that I'm struggling with right now, and I've been struggling with for like at least 2 weeks. Is I think I'm trying to be perfect with the trades I take, and yeah, I mean there's nothing wrong with that, trying to be perfect. I feel like, but once there's valid trades that you're missing, once there's valid trades you're that are good, but maybe there's like what a 15 minute at your stop loss, or well, like narratively they're really good, but maybe it's like some random bullshit like, oh, there's the SMT, your target SMT and shit, or random shit like that, a random little bullshit, or like there's a 5 minute unfilled gap at your stop loss, like I want you, before you enter a trade, just be like, just say this, just be like, narratively wise, what is more probable to happen? Is it more probable for the trade to go up or hit your stop loss, or go down and hit your TP? And you just question that and ask just at yourself and be like, yo, like narratively wise, oh my god, this is so good. We got SMT at the lows. There's unfilled fair value gap above 15 minute unfilled with low risk liquidity leading up to that fair value gap. Your stop loss is high resistance because we just swept out a low resting in a fair value gap. Shit like that, where narratively wise, are you really stopping that, all that narratives? Are you really stopping that shit because there's a SMT that ES formed, or maybe like there's a little small unfilled. Let's say that 1 hour has a small unfilled like 5 minute gap, and you're entering before we tap that gap. Like you're trying to like be nitpicky and be perfect, but narratively wise, if you're showing that confirmation, and we have the narrative there, and you're showing confirmation with the inversion that we really want to go up there, just take the damn trade, bro. I mean, bro, I feel like it's just a psychology thing with me, where I want to be perfect so I don't have to lose, or I have no excuse. I'd be like, oh, I fucking, it's just a bad price action, or I don't know. It's just like I just want her to be perfect because I just don't want to lose. I feel like that's the reason why I haven't been taking trades this week in general, or last week, or not even taking that much trades, and my trade frequency have gone lower because I want the trades to be perfect. And I feel like that's the reason right now bro, I haven't taken a trade this whole entire week, bro. This whole entire week, I sat like a good boy looking at NQ and not taking a trade. Even though there is opportunity there that was good, and then stuff that I should have taken, that at the moment I was talking myself out of it, and I was like, oh, I don't like the trade, the close wasn't that good, or I don't know, I don't like this trade because I don't fucking know, there's news in like 2 minutes, nigga. Nobody cares, bro. That doesn't matter, bro. That really doesn't matter. If you think it's good and it looks good, and maybe what, it's just like the inversion is too big, fucking enter that bitch, bro, and just break even at the low, bro. It's really not that fucking not that fucking hard to fucking do this shit. You know, just enter the trade, and if you lose a trade, well, at least it was a good trade. If you, bro, you know when you enter a trade and you're like, fuck, this is a bad trade, then you fucking know, bro. But when you know, you go in there and be like, yo, this is a good trade. I really liked everything, narratively wise, everything sound. Nigga, just enter the trade, bro. Just enter the fucking trade, bro. Because it's really, if you lose, you lose. It is what it is, bro. You're gonna lose eventually. Even in the A plus most best trade ever, it still has a chance to lose, bro. That trade still has a chance to lose. With my model and my room rate, I have like a, I have my room rate out of seven out of 10 times I win. I don't lose. No, wait. Yeah, I only lose 3 times. So I have like a 70% win rate, and my R is like 1-1 over. Yeah, my R is usually 1-1. Um, and yeah, I fucking win more than I lose. So, but I feel like I'm getting scared of losing because I just don't want to lose. But like that's some bullshit, nigga. Cause you're gonna fucking lose, bro. You're gonna fucking lose. Eventually, you're gonna lose. That win streak is gonna be gone. And I don't know, just me preserving the win streak or whatever, or just me not wanting to lose, or bro, just enter the trade, bro. Fucking as soon as you enter, accept the risk. Be like, okay, if I lose, I lose. If I lose, I lose. But did I like this trade? Yes. This trade really good? Yes. But if I fucking lose, I fucking lose, bro. Journal the fucking trade. Be like, okay, there's no reason why I lost here. Maybe there's a small little reason, but if it was a good trade, then it was just either bad price action or you got wicked out and just unfortunate. But it went back. It went to your TP. Then it just unfortunate price action, right? Well, 7 out of 10 times I should win if the trade is good and the narrative is there, the idea is there. Like, just enter the fucking trade, bro. And that's what I have to say to me right now, because that's what I'm struggling right now. And I don't know if anyone else is struggling with this, but you wanting to enter a trade, but you're nitpicky and like saying, "Oh my god, the inversion's ass," or maybe some other shit with my model, but like, oh, like there wasn't an SMT or whatever, or maybe it's not the fucking, I don't know, it's about to be like 10 a.m. or it's about the new high time frame candle's about to open or some bullshit. Nigga, just enter the trade, bro. If everything's showing there and there's confirmation there that we want to go higher or lower to your TP or your target, fucking enter the trade, bro. It's really, bro, how you gonna get data if you're not gonna enter anything? How you gonna get data on what works and what doesn't, and what's wrong with your psychology if you can't even enter a fucking trade? And I feel like that's what right now I'm fucking struggling with, me not entering fucking trades because I'm a bitch and I'm scared that, oh my god, I'm gonna lose. Bro, just enter the fucking trade. If you lose, you're gonna fucking lose. It is what it is. But if you like the trade, it's not a fucking loss. If you like the trade and you was like, yeah, this trade is really good, and there's some random bullshit like, oh, your version was ass. Like, just fucking enter the fucking trade, bro. It's really not that hard. So yeah, just a little talk to me. Just be like, bro, enter the fucking trade. And yeah, I mean that's all I really gotta say this week. This week I sat on the markets this whole week and haven't answered anything because I don't know. I guess I was scared, or I was just like too trying to be a perfectionist and like trying to like, I don't know, nitpick random shit. That's why this week I haven't entered anything, bro. And it's frustrating, bro, because there were some trades that I was looking at and I'm like saying it was really good, but there was just like one thing, like, oh, the fucking inversion, oh my god, it's like it inverted too hard or some bullshit. Like, just enter the trade. If you think it's good, it's fucking good. And look, even if the inversion is butt, and let's say your TP is right there with my model, just break even, bro. If you get break even, you get break even. But enter, bro, and just break even once you hit your target and TP at a 1-1, bro. It's really that simple. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to get the perfect RR with your fucking inversion. With inversions, sometimes you're gonna get a shit filled, bro. But you just break even once your target gets hit, and you hope you don't get break even. It's really not that fucking difficult. So that's all I have to say to myself right now. I'm gonna rewatch this maybe, and yeah. But today, right now, I'm back testing. Then I'm gonna read this book I'm reading about something, and then I'm gonna watch the UFC, and then I don't know. I'll probably watch it with my homie once I get off of work. But all right, see you, bro.